Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle, not in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, April the 16th. No, today's actually Sunday. And Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, especially on Easter Sunday. Yes, today is Easter Sunday. No, it's the edition of Tuesday. Tuesday, April the 12th, 2022. We have 4 puzzles left. The first puzzle I have already solved is the 1-star Sudoku. We have a 2-star Sudoku left, the tectonic with 1 star, and the binary. But first we will solve this baby number. This will be number. Let me zoom this in. Okay. Yeah, position the camera. Number 4420. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the number? Let me see. The 6 in the first column, the 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 6. Need to pick another digit. How about? Let me see. The 3 in the last row, the 3 in a row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 3, alright. And now. Let me see. Okay. How about the 5 in this column, the 5 in the column next, on last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, and last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 4, 9. 1, 4, 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. Here 9 in the middle row, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. So the 1 and the 4 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 4. Here also, in this column, the 1 and the 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7. We have a 1 and a 7 in this row. So no 1 and a 7 in this box. The 1 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 2. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 5. We have a 9 and a 5 in this row, so no 9 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 5, 9 and a 5. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5, it goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers of 1. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. Then let me see the 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 it goes there. Alright. Then 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. You see that 9? No 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Okay. Alright. Let me see. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. Okay. Then. How about the 7 in this column? First column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7. How about these 2 missing numbers in the second row? Oh, sorry, in the middle row For the numbers 1 is missing and 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 in this column, first column. 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8 are missing. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in the third column. For number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 1. Final 2 numbers of this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and not 1 and a 2. We already have a 2. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 1 and the 8. 1 and 8. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Almost made a mistake with the last digit, but we solve it again, and I like this one. In 13 minutes. And yeah, I've told you 15 to 20 minutes I need for a 2 stars puzzle. Well, I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. I've collected more than 8 weeks the data. After 10 weeks I will share those data with you. We've had 859, 859, 136, 136, and 285, 285. I believe we have 2 pairs, the 8 and the 5. Yeah, 8, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 8, 8. 2 pairs. All right, thank you. And I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. Binary puzzle and a tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.